with 25 remaining on the clock. Teams are going to be jockeying for position, trying to get their last moves accomplished, whether placing the ball, knocking the ball off. As we see, the St. James team moving that red track off to the top. While their Alliance Sergeant Raven trying to place it. Unable to place it, they still get points for the hurdle as time expires. On the red side of the field, we have Martians. On the blue side of the field, we have more Martians. I can, without a doubt, say that Martians will win this match. In the hybrid period, lots of teams completing lots of laps. Now that bell indicates the drivers can take control as we enter the teleoperated period. Teams try to get these balls off the overpass in order to put them back over and a chance to win points for their Alliance team. It looks like the 70 team, more Martians having some issues with their gripper as it bends over under the weight of that track ball. These track balls weigh just under 10 pounds, and teams need to lift them to 6.5 feet tall. It can be a very difficult task. It appears like the Martian team will not be able to lift any more balls this match. Let's just hope that they get a chance to fix that before their next competition round. And there go the Channel Cats scoring for the red. 8 points for that successful hurdle.
They gotta disable themselves.
On the lane divider, as here comes one red.
If they want to compete again, they need to disable themselves.
Blue to hurdle, red to pass underneath, going to their side. The Channel Cats and 1985 both making an attempt for this new hurdle over in the red home stretch. Up and up they go. Coordination by the two teams. The Channel Cats place that ball. 1985 goes over. That red ball on top will only give them points if it's sitting there as the match expires with 20 seconds left on the clock. There's a blue ball in 829's grip. The Robo Ghost as they come and approach. It looks like there's the Channel Cats skipping that red ball on top as their opponent, 2457, removes their other red ball with 2-1. Teams are laughing. Here comes 1741 carrying that blue ball with a vengeance. A lot of entanglement going on down one goal. Everybody knows what's at stake. Everyone knows what's at stake in this match. They know, the Blue Lines knows if they don't win this, it's over for them in this tournament. Continuing on, we've got 30 seconds left on the clock. 1741. Setting up to put that ball in for the end game. It's caught. That'll be worth 12 points if it stays. 292 doing the same. With 20 seconds remaining. even though it's hybrid mode, teams can still get a penalty if they go around the track the wrong direction. As drivers take control, only 2 red track balls are in play. The 2 blue ones are sitting on top, sitting pretty. 12:08, the Maniac Machine. Looks like they've got their manipulator fixed from the previous match here with them. And they've loaded up their alliance partner, Bob, built on brains, 85. Trying to get set up for their throw. They're in the middle of their station. They have to turn around to throw. A lot of traffic down in the blue home stretch, but they're able to toss it over for 8 points. And that sounds a field with 4 teams, 20-52, putting them all over. 2 blue shooting robots trying to take possession of blue track ball down on the red side of the field. Finally breaking free, 85 is taking possession. 5:25 working down here in the blue zone to pick up that red track ball. As their alliance partners scores another hurdle across the map. Here comes 5:25 with 50 seconds left. They lose control of the ball. As the ball comes out of the match, 2081 loses control. When balls leave the arena, they're placed back in at the next safest location for our field reset crew. Lots and lots of laps. Each time these robots cross the field, it's a guaranteed 2 points once they cross that line. Here comes Bob. Crossing over the head. Trying to get all 14 seconds left. One of the teams race for the end goal. Will they have enough chance and opportunity to get one more hurdle? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's 1444, your number 2 ranked alliance leader, carrying that red ball. Both red teams with balls ready to hurdle. These are your defending St. Louis champions. Both 1444 and 45 worked together last year to bring it all home. The 1089 machine, the fast little race car, continuing to make pace around the field. Popping that blue track ball off is 11:78 as they try to prevent endgame scores with just under a minute remaining. Both 45 and 1444 crossing over into their red zone, meeting a little bit of a traffic jam by 2 Blue Alliance robots. Easy over is 1444 and the Technocats. Not to be outdone. Raven Robotics, a Blue Alliance team, releases that ball over the blue zone. The Juggernauts appear to be hung up a little bit in the center of the period, trying to get free. These robots are large and the track's not very big. There's bound to be a few bumper-to-bumper interactions. With 20 seconds remain, teams will be making their final attempt here, whether they will place or whether they will hurdle. It looks like 1288 and the Technocats both have balls. Going for the placement. Both robots. Those will be worth 12 points apiece. 3, 2, 1.